Hi everyone, welcome back to this episode. We are moving on with our sequences and series. Last time we did the sum. Today we are going to look at the arithmetic mean. So what do we mean when we say the arithmetic mean? So the arithmetic mean is one of the simplest things that we can ever do in our sequences and series. So since it starts with the word arithmetic, then it tells us something. This tells us to say this thing relates to an arithmetic progression. We are going to be using this only to an arithmetic progression. So what do we mean when we say arithmetic mean? Take for example the sequence 3, then followed by 7, followed by 11, followed by 14, followed by 17, and followed by 20. So what do we mean when we say the arithmetic mean? The arithmetic mean is simply a term of an AP that lies in between two terms. If you have a term in between, then that term is known as the arithmetic mean. So 7, you have seen 7. 7 is lying between 3 and 11. So 7 is the arithmetic mean. This is the arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean of which numbers? It is the arithmetic mean of 3 and 11. So 3 and 11, the term that lies in between 3 and 11 in this sequence is 7. 7 is the arithmetic mean. What is the arithmetic mean for 14 and 20? 14 and 20 in this sequence. I'm pretty sure you know the arithmetic mean for 14 and 20. The arithmetic mean for 14 and 20 is 17. So because 17 lies in between 14 and 20. So that is what we mean. What is the arithmetic mean for 11 and 17? 11 and 17, I'm also pretty sure you are even laughing where you are. The answer is 14. You just say, no, how can this person give us such a simple question? So the answer is 14 because 14 is lying between 11 and 17. So 11 and 17, the arithmetic mean for 11 and 17 is 14. So the question is, sometimes we are going to be given a question, then they give out that term in between. How are we going to be finding it? So how do we find out the arithmetic mean? So for this sequence, we know the number that is in between. So I will use the already existing information that we have. Then we try to see if we can find the answer. So I'll rub off 7. Don't forget, the number that I've rubbed off here is 7. I'm replacing it with the x. And imagine we were asked a question to say, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Let us try this. You see this term, the term is 3 and the term there is 11. The middle term there, which is called the arithmetic mean, is 7. Okay, let us add 11 plus 3. This is 14. Then we divide this by 2. The answer is 7. You see what has happened? We have added these two terms and we divide the answer by 2. The answer is 7. What is this 7? The same number that we erased at this point. Okay, let us try something else. The number that is in between here is 14. Okay, I'm going to add these two terms since 14 is the arithmetic mean of 11 and 17. So I'll say 11 plus 17. 11 plus 17, the answer is 28. Then I divide 28 by 2. 22 into 28, I'm pretty sure you know the answer is 14. So this is 14. Okay, it seems it gives us the correct thing. Let us try out in the next one. 17. Okay, the middle term is 17. Let me add 20 plus 14. So 20 plus 14. Then the answer is 34. They divide 34 by 2. The answer is 17. It seems as if when we add any two terms which are putting something in between and divide by 2, the answer that we find is the middle term. So we can find the arithmetic mean by simply adding the two terms that are putting the term in between. Then we divide by 2. So let me give an example. Imagine I have a sequence. So for the sequence, I have 3. Okay, too much of 3. Let me change. 7. Then I have x. Then I have, let me say 17. Then I say find x. So this sequence is an AP. The sequence that I have here is an AP. These are the first 3 terms of an AP. How do I find the value of x? As we have done from this one, what are we supposed to do? All we are supposed to do is add these 2 terms. So our solution, we are going to say x, which is the arithmetic mean. X is equal to 7 plus 17, then over 2. We divide by 2. We are going to add those 2 terms, then we divide by 2. The answer we get is the arithmetic mean. So our x is going to be, what is 7 plus 17? 7 plus 17, I'm pretty sure the answer is 24. So we get 24 over 2. So 2 into 24, the answer we get is 12. So the term that was supposed to be here is 12. 12 is the number that is supposed to be there. So I'm very sure we know how to find the arithmetic mean. So in general, what are we saying? So in general, we can derive a formula now, which we are going to be using. So we have a formula which we are going to be using. So for an AP, whose 3 consecutive terms, are A, B, C. So this is an AP. How do we find B? So we know B is the arithmetic mean of A and C. And you can find B by saying B equals to 1, or you say A plus C over 2. So this is the formula for the arithmetic mean. If you want to find the middle term, which is B in this case, add these 2 terms and divide your answer by 2. When you do that, then you are going to be finding the arithmetic mean. So check out the questions that are just below this video. Try to answer them. If possible, post your answers. I'm very grateful, and we appreciate your cooperation and your participation in this venture of ours. So go through whatever we do. I hope this video was very useful to you. Make sure you check out the next video, where we are now going to be looking at another type of a sequence, which is called a geometric progression. So all this information that we have done will come in paper 1, and you are not going to be required to use a calculator. Thank you very much.